floodlight. They have got ample of experience. Babal Naik, a man from Vodauda, will be on to the striker end with a left-handed batter along with Gopal Bhatta, the captain of Sindhudurga, will be on to the non-strikers end. Field restriction, 2 fielders will be allowed outside the 30-yard circle as this is a power play over. And for the left-handed batter, we can see that deep mid-wicket as well as a deeper extra cover. These are the 2 fielders that have been kept outside the 30-yard circle. The first power play over will be in progress from the end of Diptesh Palkar. Will be starting that bowling attack for the team of Aryan Arav 11 Ponda Taluka. So we are all set for the quarter-final, the second quarter-final of this day number 1 and the last match of this day number 1 of this SK Jogging Cricketers. Diptesh Palkar will be coming on to bowl to Babal Naik onto the striker's end. First ball switch was been attempted, wanted to go across that backward point was the idea. Down to that off, umpire says yes, it's an wide. Extra runs have been taken care of and that extra runs has been costed with that. Account has been started for the team batting, that is Raju Tigers Arunda Vengurla Taluka with that extra. Cross-batted shot, there is a protection as soon as fielder will be coming on a screen and collecting the ball of Pritham Sheth was the man onto that occasion. Single runs will be definitely taken, and with respect to that single, 2 runs can be seen on the scorecard from here. Diptesh Palkar usually likes to start the bowling attack, and he will be saying that yes, a wicket is being required, especially if Babal Naik settles onto the center of the pitch, then their target will be shooting up. So it is my job, it is my duty to remove the wicket of Babal Naik. With this kind of mindset, Diptesh Palkar will be bowling on. Now, Gopal Bhatta will be on to the striker's end. Pitched up delivery on the back foot. What a shot that was into the deeper backward point region. As soon as the fielder will be running onto that occasion, he will be not be able to stop the ball off. The ball has been sailing into that deeper core point fences, and that's the first boundary coming of the quarterfinal from the bat of most experienced, the captain of Sindhudurga, Gopal Bhatta. 6 runs on the scorecard. If you generally see the replay on tenniscricket.in, it was a pitched up delivery, shorter and wider, and full Monty has been taken from the end of Gopal Bhatta. Playing it with that backward square cut, a punch was been seen for a boundary. Swing off the bat, missing it completely. That is what the Diptesh Palkar has been known for. This time it is a pace on delivery. And the swung was being offered from the end of Gopal Bhatta. Doesn't come from the center of the radar. A nice carry can be seen into the hands of wicketkeeper Chandan Naik, and the result was a dot. Beautifully into that long on region. The orthodox slog from the bat of Gopal Bhatta, and that's been going. That's a humongous 6. 6 more runs will be added on the quota, and with respect to that 6, 12 runs can be seen. Why I've been known as one of the best batter, one of the openers, great openers in the side of Sindhudurga, in the form of a captain of Sindhudurga. Gopal Bhatta has been giving us the strength with respect to 2 shots that he's been playing, one across that offside and the slog across that long on region. Down to that offer side, yes, I think it's a wide, has been called off. Extras will be taken care of. The penalization has been coming up for the bowler in the form of an extras, and 13 runs can be seen. That is what, whenever you have been struck for a sixer on the previous ball, that creates an extra pressure, and everything knows what pressure can do, and because of that, he's been going for that wayward line and length, and a wide has been signaled off. Once again, a similar kind of shot was being offered. Ajay Halgekar will be coming on a screen, running all the way from that cow corner into that long on region, collecting the ball off. Another single runs will be definitely added. And with respect to that single, 14 runs can be seen. Babal Naik will be on to the striker's end. Beautifully done into that deeper square leg region. That's out of the park. That's a biggie. 6. Six more runs will be added on the quota, and I think the first over come towards end, and after completing first over, it is 20 runs on the scorecard. Gopal Bhatta has been playing on 11 of his individual with a courtesy of 4 balls he's been facing, and Bubble has been playing on 7 of his individual. So 20 without any dismissal of a wicket. In order to bowl the first over from his quota in the second over for his team, Pranal Sawant can be seen will be bowling that second power play over. What a start this is from the end of Raju Tigers, Aronda Vengurla Taluka, from the end of Gopal Bhatta as well as from Babal Naik. And now Pranal will be saying that yes, they have been getting some partnership role out there in the middle. The previous over from the end of Diptesh Palkar was an expensive over, and it is time for me to show some reflection out there in the middle with respect to my bowling has been considered. Can I change this equation? Pranal Sawant will be bowling. Reverse attempted down to that offside. The delivery was been the ideal from the end of Gopal Bhatta. Wanted to cover that backward point was the idea. That's been missing from the end of the bowler. A quicker delivery down to that offside, and the result was a dot delivery. A good start this is from the end of Pranal Sawant into the power play. Swing of the bat, not that much contact. As soon as Pritham Sheth will be coming on a screen, collecting the ball of, will be getting just a single. Single run adds in a favor, and with respect to that single, 21 runs can be seen on the scorecard. Tomorrow also we are going to have 2 different sessions. Ample of teams are been participating also tomorrow. Wanted to play that falling sweep was the idea from the end of Babal Naika. Will be of the extras. Leg buys have been added with that leg buy. The score has been now moving to 22 runs on the scorecard. Second over is in progress. Pranal Sawant has been bowling that over till now, and it is a quite equipped one. Nothing big shots are been coming till now. Only singles are been gettable with respect to that 2-3 deliveries that he has been bowling. Reverse attempted once again from the end of Gopal Bhatta. The pace was been really higher as compared to the expectation of the batter. Once the ball was been pitched into that fuller length, it is in manner that it is traveling across the hands of wicket keeper, and the result is a dot delivery. Beautiful start. This is what I have been known for. This is why I have been selected in the form of a good bowler when it is said to be the history of Goa tennis cricket. That is what shown from the end of Pranal Sawant into that second over. Pitched up delivery once again on the back foot. The ball has been going down. 2 fielders are been giving a chase. The ball has been sailing into that deeper backward point fences, and that's been going for an rolling boundary. 4 more runs will be added on the quota, and with respect to that 4, 26 runs can be seen. If we generally see the shots that Gopal Bhatta has been playing, if we generally see all are good cricketing shots on the back foot, a square cut, on the front foot, extra cover drive, sometimes a pull, sometimes a hook. That tells you the ability of Gopal Bhatta. That is the experience from the end of Gopal Bhatta. 26 without any loss of a wicket is the start from the end of Raju Tigers Aronda Vengurla Taluka. Pranal Sawant will be continuing with respect to the boundary he's been getting in the previous delivery. Up in the sky, no man onto that occasion. 2 fielders running on the occasion. 1 bounce. The ball has been sailed off into that long on region. 1 bounce off the fences. Back-to-back boundaries from the bat of Gopal Bhatta. 4 more run adds in a favor after completing 2 overs. First over gone for 20. Next over gone for 10. And 30 runs can be seen on the scorecard without any dismissal of wicket after completing 2 overs. Beautiful organization led by SK Jogging cricketers. trophies can be seen for winners, runners-up, semi-finalists, and that are fabricated ones. You can see the class on that, the artwork that has been done, beautifully fabricated, beautifully designed. In order to bowl the first over from his quota and the third over for his team, man from Shiroda, Amir Gadekar will be coming on a screen. He will be added on the team list of Ponda Taluka. In the first match, he was missing the first match, and now he's been added into the side of Ponda Taluka. That means another ability bowler. Pitching up shorter down to the leg side. There is a protection as soon as mid wicket will be coming on a screen, collecting the ball off. A single has been added. And if you generally see the back performances of Amir Gadekar is known for bowling especially to right-handed batter, because once the ball pitches on, likes to cut the ball away for right-handed batter. That is what the ability of Amir Gadekar is been known for. Especially like to bowl the cutter delivery, sometimes a leg cutter, sometimes a ball that has been coming towards the batter, sometimes a fast delivery. That is all the variation from the end of Amir Gadekar. Can that variation comes into picture into this quarterfinal? Let us find out. On the back foot, another shot from the class man, Gopal Bhatta. He's showing the class that he has got. Lot of experience, and it is just a perfect example of age is just a number. Another 4 more runs adds in a favor, and with respect to that 4 more runs, 35 runs can be seen. What a beautiful shot that was. On tenniscricket.in, you will have the replay of that. On the back foot, you can see the weight transfer, the back foot going towards the ball, and the punch was being offered across the deeper backward point fences from the bat of Gopal Bhatta. Another one, but this time there is a protection. As soon as fielder will be coming on a screen into that deeper backward point, collecting the ball off. Another single runs will be definitely gettable. And with respect to that single, 36 runs on the scorecard. I always say an umbrella cannot stop rain, but it can protect you from rain. Similarly, if you see that confidence cannot guarantee you success, but it can promote you to do the hard work, and that hard work will lead you to the success. What is the circumstances that will be coming in the coming time? Bubble Naik into that deeper mid-wicket region, and that's been a towering, a gigantic, a monstrous biggie. 6 more runs will be added on the quota, and with respect to that 6, 42 runs can be seen. I was speaking about 80s and 90s, but rightly we are in the over number 3, and till now 42 is on a scorecard without any dismissal of a wicket. What a partnership knock between both the batters. Another pitched up delivery. This is into hands of the square leg. Previous delivery was a 6 across mid wicket. If you generally see how much he was shuffling into that offside, loses his body control, and because of that the shot has been resulted into the hands of the deeper square leg region fielder, and Bubble Naik needs to depart back into the dugout. It is 42 with the dismissal of 1, and new batter will be marching on to the center of the pitch, the Bahubali man from Odauda, Daji Naik. Yes, if you generally can watch the replay of the dismissal, wanted to shuffle across the off, pull the ball across the leg was the idea. Lost his control on the body, and because of what, the shot doesn't come from the center of the radar and results straight into the hands of that square leg. Amir Gadekar is getting the success out there in the middle. 42 with the dismissal of 1. The breakthrough that the side of Aryan Aravillav and Ponda were been looking. The breakthrough has been coming. Bubble Naik, the batter, to be departed off. And new man will be added on the center of the pitch. Another man from Odauda, Daji Naik, the Bahubali, the furious Daji Naik, onto the center of the pitch. A lot of the spectators will be also watching the matches all the way from Sindhudurga, supporting their local team, that is Vengurla Taluka. A lot of the support also from the end of Ponda Taluka also. On the back foot this time, a short punch was been offered and he will be getting a single easily. That's the completion of the over number 3. After completing 3 overs, it is 43 on the scoreboard with the dismissal of 1. Signal is coming from the official that it is a challenge over. The challenge is given of 16 runs. The bowlers are been challenging the batter that you need to score 16 if you want to get another plus 8 in your tally. And if you score less than 16, whatever you score, out of that, half will be added. Once again, in order to bowl the second over from his quota and the fourth over, that is a challenging over. Pranal Sawant can be seen in the bowling department. 43 with the dismissal of 1. We have seen a lot of up-downs in cricket. Can these 3 overs which are into the side of Raju Tigers Aronda now can turn across the side of Ponda? Swing and a miss was been offered, wanted to go with a big heave across that long on was the idea from the end of Daji Naik. Once the ball was been pitched across that good length, it is radially diverting away for a right-handed batter. A nice carry can be seen into the hands of that wicketkeeper and the result is a dot. This is what I have been known for. This is what I have been brought for. This is the mindset given from the end of Pranal Sawant across that challenging over. Beautiful delivery right across that offside. He has been digging out from something. The ball has been coming into the hands of that long off fielder. As soon as the collection was been seen, the single has been already added. They are looking for that second, but it will be never on. Single more adds in a favor, and with respect to that single more, 44 runs can be seen. Out of the asking 16 runs challenge, we can see 1 runs have been already managed. Another 4 balls are been remaining from here, and 15 they will be always targeting to get that 16 runs as a challenging over. Good field attack, you can see mid-off is been inside the 30-yard circle for Gopal Bhatta. Swing and a miss, might be some part from the bat. Yes, the body language of Gopal Bhatta tells you that that ball was in a fashion to be hammered across, missed it completely. Another dot delivery to be signed off for Pranal Sawant into this challenging over. Till now, 3 balls have been already bowled and just a single runs have been given. That means that in the remaining 3 deliveries, they need to score additional 15 runs. Down to the offside, wide shocker was been attempted from the end of Pranal Sawant. Gopal Bhatta wanted to get rid of the strike, give the strike to Daji Naiga. A beautiful comeback can be seen from the end of Ponda. That is what I always say. Cricket is the concept of unpredictable things, and you can see up-down situation happening on the match. Previous 3 overs into the side of Raju Tigers Vengulla, and now this over till now for Ponda. Reverse attempted. There is a protection. Beautiful catch from the end of that fielder. Abhishek Gaonkar comes under the ball and collects the beautiful catch across that deeper backward point. Suddenly a U-turn situation arising over here, and Aryan Aravilav and Ponda Taluka will be saying that this is the momentum that we were looking for, and the over number 4, that is a challenging over. Till now 5 deliveries have been bowled and just a single runs have been considered. Last delivery remaining from here. Let us see who is the new batter coming onto the center of the pitch. Vasudev Gowde is the new batter. He will be onto the striker end. But even if he scores a sixer, they will be reaching to that 7. What a beautiful bowling from the end of Pranal Sawant. A lot of experience for this man, and he has pulled all his experience, and he has given us the figure that only single runs I will give till now for this challenging over. I will pull my experience and I will give my strength towards my team, that is Aryan Aravilav and Ponda. Can I be the man with a golden arm for my team? With this kind of mindset, Pranal Sawant has been bowling. Last delivery coming out of that challenging over. Till now only a single has been given. In the 5 deliveries have been bowled, and a wicket of Gopal Bhatta was been taken in the previous. Vasudev Gowde will be onto the striker's end. Pitch top delivery down to that offside. Wide has been called off. Yes, wanted to cut that ball in the form of that leg cutter was the idea. Single has been added, and with respect to that single, 2 runs can be seen scored into that challenging over. So what will be the figure that we will be adding in that 4th over? Can it be a single runs, or can this ball will change the equation? Swing of the bat, missing it completely. Wanted to clear that mid-on was the idea, and place the ball across the long on was the idea. A nice carry can be seen into the hands of the wicket keeper. 4 overs gone from here. In this over, only 2 runs are been considered. That means that a single will be added, and after completing 4 overs, it is 44 with the dismissal of 2. What will happen in the remaining 3? Can the batters of Raju Tigers, Arunda Vengula, come and say that they are strong enough? Daji Naik is still there onto the center of the pitch. Can we see a target of 70 to 80? Or can the bowling attack of Aryan Arav 11 Panda continues to shine? They have got a U-turn situation out there in the middle, but given from the end of Pranal Sawant. Can they continue in a similar fashion? So I am signing off from this commentary box. I like to thank the organizing committee, that is SK Jogging Cricketers, for giving me an opportunity into this big event, the 8th All Goa and Sindhudurga Taluka level tennis ball cricket tournament. Thank you. Over to Ashok Sarnaik in the commentary box.
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद अक्षय माल है। 4 ओवर समाप्त हुए, 5वें ओवर की शुरुआत और पहली गेंद पर बड़ा शॉट दाजी नाइक के बल्ले से सामने गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन हो चुका है। बॉलिंग मार पर आमिर गड़ेकर, एक बहुत अच्छी गेंद, एक वाइड यॉर्कर और गेंद निकली विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। स्कोर रुका हुआ टोटल 50 लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट, 50 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर क्वार्टर फाइनल का मुकाबला दूसरी टीम पक्की होगी। फिर से बहुत अच्छी गेंद इस बार। आमिर गड़ेकर काफी अनुभवी गेंदबाज है। सामने दाजी नाइक, वासुदेव गावड़े जो नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर 2 विकेट। बबल नाइक और गोपाल भट्टा, एक शानदार शुरुआत ओपनिंग जोड़ी के बीच में साझेदारी। इस बार मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर, डीप मिड विकेट बाउंड्री पर छोटी गेंद, दाजी नाइक शॉर्ट ऑन पोल और गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर। 6 रन के लिए। पिछला ओवर बहुत अच्छा ओवर रहा, जहां चैलेंजिंग ओवर, इस चैलेंज ओवर में 16 रनों का चैलेंज था, लेकिन रन नहीं बने राजू टाइगर आरुंदा क्रिकेट टीम के लिए। लेकिन इस ओवर में कहीं ना कहीं वो भरपाई, बिल्कुल जो वो कमी पूरी होती हुई मैदान पर दिखाई देती हुई। 2 बड़े शॉट अब तक दाजी नाइक के बल्ले से। बहुत अच्छी गेंद सामने, बिल्कुल इसलिए अंपायर ने उस अपील को नकारा। एक सिंगल दूसरे के लिए पलटे जरूर थे, अपील जरूर था, लेकिन गेंदबाज सामने आ गए अंपायर के, तो एक सिंगल, लेग बाइट और 1 रन मिला स्कोर में। 1 रन के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा 57 रन पर। आमिर गड़ेकर अपने बॉलिंग मार पर शॉट ऑफ लेन गेंद, बैकफुट पर कट करना चाहते थे, गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। ओवर की समाप्ति हुई। इस ओवर में 2 बड़े शॉट लगे। 5 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ और 5वें ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद टोटल स्कोर 57 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आने वाले 2 ओवर का खेल बाकी है। सामने एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी अभी भी होनी चाहिए। और दूसरी ओर अगर इस ओवर 12 गेंदों की अगर मैं बात करूंगा तो कम से कम एक 20-25 रन तो बनाने ही पड़ेंगे राजू टाइगर अरुंदा वेंगुर्ला क्रिकेट टीम के लिए। फिलहाल देखा जाएगा क्या होता है आने वाली ओवर पर। टोटल 57 लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट। गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन हो चुका है, मोहित गांवकर आ चुके हैं बॉलिंग मार्ग पर। कटका इस बार ऑफसाइड पर, कवर पर, एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर फील्डर गेंद को फील्ड करते। एक सिंगल पूरा किया दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने। एक रन के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा, टोटल पहुंचा 58 पर 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर। ओवर नंबर 6, आने वाला एक ओवर बाकी और मोहित गांवकर अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर। फ्लाइटेड गेंद इस बार, बहुत अच्छी गेंद, थोड़ी सी गति में परिवर्तन, धीमी फेंकी गेंद, थोड़ा जल्दी खेल बैठे, गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। सिर्फ 10 गेंदों का खेल। स्ट्राइक पर बल्लेबाज है वासुदेव गावड़े। छोटी गेंद इस बार, गेंद हवा में अपने फॉलो थ्रू में और इसी के साथ कैच को पकड़ते हुए वासुदेव गावड़े आउट होकर वापस। तीसरा विकेट चला गया राजू टाइगर अरुंदा वेंगुर्ला क्रिकेट टीम का। नए बल्लेबाज आ चुके हैं मैदान पर, गणेश कुबल। पिछले मैच में आखिरी ओवर में 4 लंबे छक्के लगाए थे और सामने अब मोहित गांवकर अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर। आते आते अल्टी पल्टी गेंद, बल्ले में संपर्क नहीं हुआ, डॉट गेंद। बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी हो रही है, अच्छा ओवर चलता हुआ। चैलेंज ओवर में रन बिल्कुल नहीं बने राजू टाइगर अरुंदा क्रिकेट टीम के लिए। इस बार ऑन साइड पर बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग की तरफ और फील्डर है मौजूद। एक सिंगल पूरा किया, गणेश कुबल ने अपना खाता खोला, लेकिन एक बहुत अच्छा ओवर चलता हुआ जो अमीर गढ़कर का पिछला ओवर रहा था, 2 छक्के लगे थे। इस ओवर में बिल्कुल कोई मौका बड़े शॉट के लिए नहीं दिया अब तक। और सामने अब दाजिन एक स्ट्राइक पर मोहित गांवकर की गेंदबाजी का सामना करेंगे। पर ऑफसाइड पर गेंद हवा में, कवर पर फील्डर, ओहो थोड़ी आगे गिरी, मुश्किल सा मौका था। मैं नहीं कहूंगा कैच, हाफ चांसेस जिसे कहते हैं, लेकिन कोशिश बहुत अच्छी थी। एक सिंगल बना स्कोर के खाते में। ओवर की समाप्ति हुई, एक बहुत अच्छा ओवर समाप्त हुआ और टोटल अब जो कि स्कोर रुका हुआ 60 रन पर 3 विकेट पर 6 ओवर के बाद लास्ट ओवर टू गो। लास्ट ओवर। इस बार बेहतरीन शॉट और गैप में गेंद चली गई, गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन पर। 4 रन के लिए गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर। कम से कम 2 बड़े शॉट चाहिए इस ओवर में राजू टाइगर आरोंदा वेंगुर्ला क्रिकेट टीम के लिए। 2 बैटर है मैदान पर, गणेश कोबल और गणेश कोबल के साथ दाजी नाइक। प्रथमेश नाइक बॉलिंग मार्ग पर। ओहो, गेंद तारामंडल में एक गगनचुंबी सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। चलिए, मैं 2 शॉट की बात कर रहा था इस आखिरी ओवर में, क्योंकि पिछला ओवर बहुत अच्छा रहा था। सिर्फ 3 रन बने थे पिछले ओवर में मोहित गावकर की गेंदबाजी में, और कहीं ना कहीं आखिरी ओवर में 2 शॉट चाहिए थे, तो शुरू के 2 गेंदों पर 2 बड़े शॉट, 10 रन बने, और फिलहाल 4 गेंदों का अभी भी खेल बाकी है। स्कोर पहुंचा 70 पर 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। ये गेंद इस बार अपटम से बाहर, वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर का। प्रथमेश नाइक गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। आज अर्धशतक 84 रन बनाए थे इसी बल्लेबाज ने। बहुत ही शानदार बल्लेबाजी की थी प्रथमेश नाइक ने, और वो गेंदबाजी कर रहे इस आखिरी ओवर में। फिर से लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर, डीप लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, और एक बेहतरीन शॉट 6 रन के लिए। बड़ी देर से हमारे बॉल बॉयज आकाश ऊपर डंबा नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आकाश, थोड़ा हाथ दिखाइए सामने। जी बिल्कुल। तेज गेंद, जोरदार बल्ला घुमाया था दाजी नाइक ने, गेंद बल्ले में संपर्क नहीं हुआ। प्रथमेश नाइक अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, स्कोर बोर्ड पर स्कोर रुका हुआ 77, लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट, 77 रन 2 विकेट पर। एक और शॉट सामने देखा जाएगा फिलहाल क्या होता है। गेंदबाजी भी बहुत अच्छी हो रही है। ये गेंद इस बार ऑप्टम से बाहर, वाइड बॉल, और एक अतिरिक्त सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में। वाइड बॉल के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 78 पर 78 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। चैलेंज ओवर में रन नहीं बने, लेकिन बाद में जरूर रन बने, खास करके पिछले ओवर में और इस ओवर में। ओ, उड़ाया गेंद तारामंडल में, लॉन्ग ऑन सीमा रेखा से बाहर, हवाई फायर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। पिछले मैच में गणेश कोबल ने आखिरी ओवर में 27 रन बने थे, 4 लंबे छक्के लगाए थे, और इस ओवर में अब तक हमें जानकारी देते हुए हमारे सर सिद्धार्थ कोरगांवकर 24 रन बन चुके हैं। स्कोरिंग का जिम्मेदारी के साथ इससे पहले नीलेश कोरगांवकर, उससे पहले उमेश उर्फ भाऊ आसगांवकर। लास्ट बॉल टू गो, क्या डॉट गेंद होगी, विकेट मिलेगा, या दाजी नाइक के बल्ले से और एक बड़ा शॉट होगा। प्रथमेश नाइक अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर, सामने दाजी नाइक। एक मिस टाइम शॉट, और शॉट पाइन लेग पर फील्डर कैच को पकड़ा, लेकिन एक शानदार बल्लेबाजी दाजी नाइक की। लंबे लंबे छक्के लगाए, 38 रन बनाए। जोरदार तालियां दाजी नाइक के बल्लेबाजी के लिए। 38 रन बनाए। टोटल स्कोर राजू टाइगर आरोंदा 84, और मैच को जीतने के लिए बनाने पड़ेंगे 85 रन आर्यन आरव 11 फोंडा क्रिकेट टीम के लिए। छोटा सा ब्रेक, दूसरी इनिंग की शुरुआत, और कमेंट्री बॉक्स में एक बार फिर से माइक्रोफोन पर आवाज शाम कलंगुटकर की। और दाजी नाइक के लिए इनाम आ चुका 1000 रुपए का, जो इनाम सर दाजी रेडकर जिन्होंने दिया है। दाजी रेडकर आपका थैंक यू। ये इनाम है दाजी नाइक के लिए। मैच समाप्त होने के बाद दाजी नाइक आपको इनाम मिलेगा।
Thank you, Ashok Naik, sir. Aryan Arya 11. Fonda requiring 85 runs to win. 85, a mammoth total against the Raju Tigers, Aranda Vengurla. Brilliant batting display that by Daji Naik with 38 runs. Fabulous batting display. 5 maximums, a boundary included. Babal Naik started off with 14 in 6 deliveries, and then Gopal Bhatta 25 of 14. 38 runs of 16 has made a lot of hype in this batting display. 84 for 4 in their 7 overs. Talking about the bowling display, it started off with Diptesh giving just 20, in fact 20 runs of the first over, and then it all just couldn't quite go according to plan. 2 overs bowled by Pranal gave 12 runs. 2 overs by Amir gave 26. Wicket apiece for both of them, and Mohit Gaonkar was brilliant. 1 over, 3 runs, a wicket. Prathamesh got smashed for 24 in that last over. 85 runs the target required to win. In 2-man in, Abhishek Gaonkar and Ajay Halgekar for the pursuit of 85 runs in 7 overs for the Arav Aryan 11 Fonda. Ganesh Kubal has been given the ball in this very first over. 85 runs required to win. Starts off with wide extras. A review has been taken. Television umpire will intervene to check if it's a fair delivery or not. It's a fair delivery. So the decision has to be overturned. Goes down the ground. Up and over the infield. And that will go for 4. Gets off the mark with a boundary. Does Abhishek Gaonkar. Chasing a target of 85, you need a solid foundation. And right now, these two need to provide that foundation. For Arav Aryan 11, Ponda. Goes deep in his crease again. And the official has got it on his feet. Hope he's all right. He's a tough nut. Rupesh Gauss, A.K. Bhalo. Trying to heave it on the onside, couldn't quite. Dot delivery. The bat very deep, but 85 looks a stiff target to chase. Swing again, missed again. Brilliant delivery. Reverse attempted. Gets lucky. And that's a boundary. Completion of the first over. It's 9 without loss. 9 without loss after the first over. RNR 11. Ponda. Nikhil Gavde from the Girimand. 9 without loss after the first over. That's up in the air. Field getting underneath and gone. First wicket down. Abhishek Gaukar trying to go over the top and has to depart. It's 9 for 1. Hero from the last game with the bat. Prathamesh comes out to bat. 21 deliveries and 84 runs he got. Now the target of 85 required. And currently requiring 76 in 35 deliveries. 9 for 1. Haravarian 11. Ponda. So far on the top of the pile, Nikhil Gavde, 10 wickets for him so far. There he goes long. Fielder trying to get underneath, couldn't quite, and started off from where he left off in the previous game. Starts with the maximum, score moves on to 15. That's up in the air. Looking for the single chance of run out at the bowler's end. Couldn't quite. Dot delivery. Ajay looked in some kind of hurry to get back on strike, but couldn't quite, as his partner Prathamesh sends him back. Full toss. Played on the onside. That's a boundary. No chance for the fielder. It's a no ball as well. And this will be a free hit. It just overstepped. It just went over that line. This will be a free hit now. $20 for 1. In pursuit of 85, requiring 65 in 33. Free hit delivery. Up in the air, can't be dismissed unless and until it's a run out. Gets one. One more run added. In the air again, and that's gone. Yet another wicket. Gopal Bhatta takes the catch. 2 wickets down. 21 for 2. Haryana 11 Ponda have lost both their openers. New man in. Mohit Gaonkar. 21 for 2. Side in trouble. 64 required in 31 deliveries. That will be wide extras. Score moves to 22. 22 for 2. Run chase of 85 runs in 7 overs. Nicely played. Back to the square. And gets a boundary to get the mark. 2 overs gone. 26 for 2. 26 for the loss of 2 wickets after 2 overs. Haryana 11 Ponda requiring 59 in exactly 5 overs. 5 overs remaining. 30 deliveries requiring 59 to win. Haryana 11 Ponda. Glenn Fernandez, wizard of spin. 26 for 2 after 2 overs. Prathamesh on strike. Nicely played, clipped off his pads. Will be just one. Single added. Score moves to 27. Dot delivery. Yet another dot. Again, very well bowled. And got in some awkward but a position to play that delivery. Mohit Gaonkar. Single added. Score moves to 28. Again, trying the pull, couldn't quite capitalize. Just one. That's up in the air. And that's been taken. Television umpire will intervene again to check whether if it's a legal delivery or not. It's above the waist high. Or is it well within the guidelines? TV umpire will have a look. . It's a no ball. It's above the waist height. So this will be a free hit. "31 for 2, requiring 54 now in 26. Free hit delivery coming from Glenn Fernandez. Up against Prathamesh. Goes long in the air. Fielder will take the catch, but that will be just one. Excellent delivery. That's gone through. And they will rotate the strike. A single taken. 3 overs gone. And it's 33 for 2 after 3 overs. This will be the challenge over, SK Jogging challenge over. 3 overs gone, 33 for 2. Going at 11 runs per over right now. Requiring 52 in 24. 4 overs left, 52 runs to win. Challenge over means you need to score 16 runs. Benefit of 8 more runs. And again, it will be that man, the highest wicket taker of the 8th edition. So far with 11 wickets. Nikhil Gavde back into the bowling attack. 16 runs required. Mohit Gavkar on strike. 16 runs required in this challenge over. 33 for 2 currently. 2 under the bat. Looking for a single. Very well saved by the wicketkeeper Gopal Bhatta. Nicely played. Drilled to the fielder. At deep extra cover. Just one. 2 deliveries, just a single. 4 deliveries left. 15 runs required to complete the challenge. Goes long in the air. And Bubble is down. That's gone for 4. Tried his best. A valiant effort from Bubble. Hope he's all right. Hasn't hurt himself. It's a bit of precarious to be the least. This outfield, it's not a natural playing surface. And looks like he is hurt. Some assistance is required for him. It's a bit sandy. And also, lot many times that we see, in fact, throughout the year, that we can see a lot of sale or different kinds of programs that have been arranged on this particular ground. It's not a ground for playing. All thanks to SK Jogging cricketers who bring in you with the additions. Every year around, they get the playing conditions well, water the ground. Pulled away this time, nobody there. Too much of work for the fielder. And he can't get to cut that off. That's gone for 4. Score moves to 42. Score moves on to 9 of 4 deliveries. Need another 7. In 2 to complete the challenge. 42 for 2, requiring 43 now in 20. How crucial it is, 7 runs in 2 deliveries. And need a maximum somehow, or need 2 boundaries of those 2 deliveries. That's up in the air. Fielder getting underneath and taken. Ganesh Kubal, safe as houses, takes the catch. Yet another wicket falls. The man who was looking very dangerous has to depart. Prathamesh is gone. 42 for 3. Still that challenge. It's on. 7 required of 1. You get 6. It will be 15 that you can achieve. And only 8 runs will be given to you minus the 7. Currently it's 42 for 3. Chandan Naik walks out to bat. Very experienced. Can he apply all his experience for this particular situation where his team is stuck in the run chase of 85? Chandan Naik on strike. 7 required of 1 to complete the challenge. Swing and a miss. Dot delivery to end the over. So it's only 9 runs that has been scored. So 5 runs will be added to the total. In fact, it will be 38. 38 on the scorecard. 38 for 3 after 4 overs. Requiring 47 of the last 3. 47 to win in 3 overs. 47 in last 18 deliveries for Aryan Arab 11 Ponda. Glenn Fernandez to continue. 4 overs gone, 38 for 3. Final 18 balls. Swing and a miss. In fact, that's a wide. Extras. .46 required in the last 3 overs. Turned the bat, couldn't quite muscle that one over the ropes. Just one. Single added. 45 in 17. It's almost just about 15 runs per over. Need 2 shots in every over now. Is that the first one? No, it isn't, but it's a boundary. Very well played by Chandan Naik. Score moves to 44. Requiring 41 in 16. You see lot many times when Savivere team participates in lot many tournaments, they are the night specialist. A lot of ward-wise tournaments as well as Panchayat municipality level, especially at nights. All these Savivere cars coming from the part of Ponda, the Antruz Mahal. 45 for 3. Full toss. And that full toss will very well fielded by Akshay. Star Akshay. To end the bat, it's just checking for that boundary. Brilliant effort though. Full marks for the commitment. Television umpire. Third umpire will just have a look if he's all right with that fielding effort on the ropes. It's safe. So we can move on. So just 1 run added Opportunity was there to heave it on the onside to get a maximum, but Mohit Gavkar just skied it. That's out, that's gone. Another one falls. 46 for 4. Sliding into more trouble. 39 required in 13. And in comes John Cena. Pritham Sheth. 46 for 4. One delivery left in this fifth over. 39 in 13 deliveries. 3 runs every delivery. 39 in 13. "46 for 4. Goes after it in the air. Fielder taken. Akshay coming on to that one. Again safely pouches. And yet another wicket falls. Back-to-back wickets. It's 46 for 5. 39 required in the last 2 overs for Aryan Arab 11 Ponda. Change in bowling, it will be Vishal Naik. 39 in 12 deliveries. Mohit Gavkar out of nowhere in those 2 games in the Betka Trophy. Came out with flying colours. His team was in trouble. He came out with all guns blazing to get his team over the line. Can he deliver again tonight? Full toss. In the gap. Brilliant work by the fielder. Just one. Vasudev stopping a certain boundary, maybe a couple of runs. Single added, score moves to 47-38 in 11 deliveries. 38 runs in 11 deliveries. Rishikesh, new man in. Goes up in the air, bowler taken, gone. Another one bites the dust, 6th down. 47 for 6. New man in, Yatin Naik. Fond memories of this particular venue as well as right at the Bodgeshwar temple. Man of the series in the recently concluded underarm tournament. Now a new challenge. Can't afford to waste time. Straight away needs to go after the bowling. 38 in 10 deliveries. Up against Vishal. Full toss, missed by the wicketkeeper. Chance for an out. Oh, opportunity. And safely gets a single, gets off the mark with that single. Brings Mohit back on strike. 48 for 6, 37 in 9. Of those 9 deliveries, 6 have to be maximums. So far, nothing from the bat of Mohit. Brilliantly bowled. Excellent delivery. Again, a wide Yorker. Brilliant bit of bowling this. Maybe clear message from the skipper to try and bowl as far as possible. Deep in his crease, again trying to muscle it on the onside, couldn't quite. Another single added. 49 for 6, 36 of 7. Seven deliveries, 36. There he goes, long. Yatin Naik for 6. Still in the hunt, 30 required of 6 deliveries. For RNR of 11, Ponda. Rohit has been trusted to bowl this final over. 30 required in 6. Man on strike, Mohit Gaukar. His partner at the other end, Yatin Naik, who has just got a maximum. 55 for 6, requiring 30 in 6 deliveries. 6 legitimate deliveries, requiring 30 runs to win. Full toss, will get 1. Down to bubble at cow corner. 56 for 6. 28 in 5. In fact, 29 in 5. Full toss, goes again, Yatin Naik. Are we seeing something unbelievable? It's difficult, but not unachievable. He can achieve it. Now requiring 23 of 4. All those 4 deliveries need to go out of the park. Full toss has disappeared onto the stands at deep mid wicket. 23 in 4 deliveries. This time left alone, that will be wide, extras. 22 in 4 deliveries. Very well bowled, short delivery, looking for a single, will get a single, just 1. "21 in 3. Deep in his crease, very well bowled, excellent delivery this. Brilliant comeback by Rohit. 65 for 6. 20 in 2. Previously we saw Mauli Malvan reaching the semi-finals. A team from Sindhudurg. Left alone, that will be yet another wide. And almost towards the finishing line, Raju Tiger Arunda Vengurla would be the second team from Sindhudurg to reach the semi-finals. Again on the onside, taken. Akshay coming on to it. takes the catch. One more wicket added to the total. Yatin Naik departs and Pranal Sawant walking out to bat. One delivery left. 19 runs required. And goes back. It won't matter one bit for the Raju Tiger, Arunda Vengurla. They win this game by a whopping 12 runs. Here's a quick look at the scorecard. Player of the match, Daji Naik, 38 of 16 deliveries.